Hi children. Before we move on to a new topic, I am going to have a short recap on topics which we have covered during previous sessions. So what did we see in our previous sessions? We saw what is home. So what is home? A home is a place to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and from enemies. So human beings, plants and all animals need home to live. Some animals live in natural environment like forest. For example, tiger, lion, elephant, monkeys and so on. And some will make their own home. For example, ant make antils, rat, rabbits, mongoose dig holes and it's called as burrows. Snake lives in hole. Earthworm makes tunnel. And some are kept by us at home. Cow, shed, dog, kennel, hen, hoop and horse, stable. So, as of now, we have seen the homes which are made by animals and which are made by human beings and the natural homes. Next, we are going to see about birds' nest. As we all know, birds will build their own nest and they lay eggs in it. So from eggs, young ones will hatch and they live inside the nest until they grow big. So I have a question for you. Where do you think the birds will build their nest? As we all know, birds will build their nest in trees. Now, I am going to tell you a new place where the birds will build their nest and that is called as ledges. 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 You can see here, right, in this picture. This place is called as ledges. So this is a narrow shelf like thing which is seen under a window. So this is called as ledges. Even in this place, the birds will build their nest and it will lay eggs on it. So now we are going to see what are the things that birds uses to make a nest. So it will make use of twigs, feather, grass, dry leaves, cotton, stones, hay and coconut fibers. Now we are going to see the different kinds of nest. So first one is Tailor bird's nest. So now we are going to see the first type of nest called Tailor bird nest. So in this, what they will do is they will take a broad leaf and using their beaks they will stitch it. They will use jute and coconut fibers to stitch it. Can you all see here? They are using a long leaf and they are using jute and coconut fibers to stitch it. Now you can see a tailor bird which is stitching its own nest using small jute or cotton. Can you see this fantastic video how it is building their nest? This is how the birds will build their own nest. Now that we have seen how a tailor bird will build its own nest, now next is we are going to see about weaver birds and how they will build their own nest. So these birds will build their nest in trees like a dome shape. Look at here, this is called as a dome shape. So these birds will build its own nest like a dome shape and with a long tunnel to go inside. So this is called as weaver bird's nest. So weaver bird's nest will be of dome shape and you can see a tunnel like entrance which is the entrance of this nest. Now we are seeing a video of a weaver bird which is building its nest. See how nicely it is building their own nest. It is building the nest with small grasses and hays. So once they're done with the building of nest, the weaver bird's nest will be like this shape, dome shape. Next is woodpecker's nest. As we all know, the woodpecker will make hole in the tree like this and they will live inside the nest. They will lay eggs in it and the small ones will hatch from that. So usually the woodpeckers will make holes in the trunk of the tree. Next we are going to see how penguins are making their nest. Penguins will make the nest with the help of pebbles. So in this nest they will hatch their own eggs. Next is crow. As we know, crows will make their nest in the top of the trees and they will lay their eggs in it. Next is cuckoo. You know something? Cuckoo is also called as lazy bird. So why it is called as lazy bird? It's because cuckoo will not build any nest. Cuckoo will live in the nest which is made by crow. That's why cuckoo is called as lazy birds. And the next one is sparrow. So sparrow will build nest on branches of the tree and where you can see tall walls. In the corner of the walls you can see their nest and behind the wall mirrors and bushes. Have you all seen sparrow? The sparrow will be little small in size And usually in the early mornings we can hear the sound of sparrow. Now that we have completed the nesting kinds of nest, and we have also seen the different types of homes built by birds and homes made by animals and also homes made by human beings. Now we are going to read the word balls of this lesson. Children, kindly repeat the word balls after me. What is the first word? Yes, you are correct. Environment. 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 Second one, grasslands. 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 Anthills. 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 Tunnels. 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 Burrows. 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 Coop. 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 Stable. 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 Ledges. 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 Weaver birds. WEAVER. Weaver birds. 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 Tailor birds. TAILOR. Tailor birds. 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 Trunk. 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 Pebbles. 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 Children, I taught you how tailor birds, weaver birds will make their nest. By next class, I will be sharing a video about what are tailor birds and what are weaver birds, so that you can understand how they are making their nest too.